Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here, and thank you so much for all your love and support. And if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Today I am making a Bacon Kielbasa Spaghettini Carbonara. And this recipe was requested by one of our friends. Her name is Janice Fuentes. And she is also a vlogger. So you may visit her YouTube channel as well. And what we need are garlic, bacon, kielbasa, pecorino cheese, parmesan cheese, cilantro, ground black pepper, 4 eggs, we only use the yolks, spaghettini, milk, and about 12 cups of unsalted water to cook the spaghettini first in about 6 to 7 minutes. This recipe, we do not need any amount of salt. The bacon, the kielbasa, pecorino cheese, and the parmesan cheese already have enough salt in them. So let's get started and follow along. Now the best part is to eat my hard work. Looks so yummy. Perfect taste, yummy. Are you hungry yet? My friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now.